So here's the tractor. Give you a quick walk around. You can see how the forks are on there. Again, the headlights don't work. There's the trip function. And then here's the cable that's broken. And then the handle to actuate it. So this is the tractor here, exhaust side. 2 batteries. These are both used batteries but in good condition. Here is the lever for the bucket. This one here is for the PTO at the back. This tire holds good air. There's the ball 3-point hitch. This lever here does the 3-point hitch. There's the PTO there. This tire is the one you can see that had the issue where the valve stem broke. Tires are okay. Another battery. Front tire is good. Show you this tire as well. Hop up here and just pop the hood. So that's pretty much it. I'll do another video where I fire it up.